When people compare budget cars and luxury cars, the real question usually isn't just price, it's value. A Toyota or Honda focuses on reliability and low cost of ownership, while a BMW focuses on performance, driving experience, and premium feel. In 2026, both choices make sense, but for completely different types of buyers. Today we will talk about budget cars versus luxury cars. BMW worth it? So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Budget cars win on affordability. Budget cars like Toyota, Honda, and similar brands are designed to keep ownership costs as low as possible. They are cheaper to buy, cheaper to insure, and generally cheaper to maintain over time. Repairs are usually more predictable, which reduces financial stress for the owner. Over the long term, this stability becomes one of the biggest advantages, because you are not constantly worried about unexpected repair bills or expensive parts. This is why budget cars are often considered the safest and most practical option for everyday driving, especially for people who prioritize savings, consistency, and reliability over luxury or performance. 9. Luxury cars cost more for a reason. BMW and other luxury brands are more expensive because of the engineering, design, and performance development behind them. The higher price is not just about branding. It reflects advanced technology, refined driving systems, premium materials, and years of research and development. These cars are built to deliver a more refined experience in terms of comfort, sound insulation, handling, and overall driving feel. In simple terms, you are not only paying for transportation, but for a more premium and enhanced driving experience that feels different from standard vehicles. 8. BMW offers a better driving experience. BMW is widely known for its strong focus on driving dynamics. Features like precise steering, balanced suspension, quick acceleration response, and stable handling at higher speeds create a more engaging driving experience. Many drivers describe it as feeling more connected to the road compared to typical budget cars. However, this performance-focused design also means more complex systems and advanced engineering, which can sometimes lead to higher maintenance needs as the car ages. 7. Maintenance difference is the real gap. The biggest long-term difference between BMW and budget cars is maintenance cost and complexity. Budget cars are built with simplicity in mind, which makes them easier and cheaper to repair. Parts are widely available, and most repairs are straightforward. BMW vehicles, on the other hand, use more advanced technology and precision engineering, which can make repairs more expensive and specialized. This means that while the driving experience is better, the ownership cost can increase significantly over time if maintenance is not carefully managed. 6. Reliability versus experience. Budget cars prioritize long-term reliability and predictable performance, which is why brands like Toyota and Honda consistently rank high in durability and low maintenance issues. BMW focuses more on performance, driving enjoyment, and luxury features. This creates a clear trade-off. Budget cars give you peace of mind with fewer unexpected problems, while BMW gives you a more premium and enjoyable driving experience, but with potentially higher running costs. The choice depends on whether you value stability or driving pleasure more. 5. Depreciation changes everything. Luxury cars like BMW tend to lose value faster than budget cars, which means they drop in price more quickly after purchase. This can make used BMWs look like great deals because you can buy a premium car for a much lower entry price compared to when it was new. On the surface, this looks like an advantage for buyers who want luxury at a discount. However, depreciation only affects the purchase price, not the long-term ownership costs. Even if you buy a BMW at a lower used price, expenses like maintenance, repairs, insurance, and specialized parts can still remain significantly higher than budget cars. Complex engineering and premium components often require more expensive servicing, especially as the car gets older. This is why a cheap luxury car is not always truly cheap to own. In the long run, real value is not just about how little you pay to buy a car, but how much it costs you to keep it running smoothly over the years. A car that is affordable up front but expensive to maintain can end up costing more than a simpler, more reliable vehicle. That's why long-term ownership cost matters more than initial savings when evaluating true value. 4. Technology versus practicality. BMW is known for leading in advanced automotive technology, premium interior design, and modern driving features. This includes digital dashboards, intelligent driver assistance systems, adaptive driving modes, and high-end infotainment setups that create a more modern and connected driving experience. These features are designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and overall driving enjoyment. Budget cars, however, take a very different approach. Instead of focusing heavily on advanced technology, they prioritize practicality, durability, and ease of ownership. Their systems are usually simpler, which means fewer things can go wrong, and repairs are often easier and cheaper. This simplicity is one of the main reasons budget cars are known for long-term reliability. 3. Who BMW is actually for. BMW is worth it for people who genuinely care about driving experience, enjoy performance-oriented cars, and want a premium feel in every drive. It suits buyers who are comfortable with higher maintenance costs and see their car as more than just transportation. For these drivers, the added comfort, handling, and prestige justify the extra cost. It is more of a lifestyle choice than a purely financial one. 2. Who budget cars are best for. Budget cars are ideal for people who want low running costs, strong reliability, and simple ownership without financial stress. They are perfect for daily commuting, family use, and long-term ownership where stability matters more than performance or luxury features. For most people, especially those focused on saving money and avoiding unexpected expenses, budget cars offer the most practical solution. 1. The real truth, it's not about better or worse. BMW is not better than budget cars. And budget cars are not better than BMW. They are built for completely different priorities and lifestyles. Budget cars focus on efficiency, affordability, and reliability, while BMW focuses on performance, comfort, and driving experience. The real decision is not about which brand wins, but about what fits your needs better. Saving money and staying stress-free, or paying more for a more engaging and premium driving experience. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.